MindGenius Online helps your team plan, manage, and collaborate successfully. We give you a number of powerful team features that can help you have consistent success in your projects. At the very beginning of a project, you can have one person creating the mind map, hands-on, or you can let everybody enter their ideas on their keyboards into a single mind map at the same time. It's up to you. How you end up organizing your mind map is also up to you. What about assigning resources? It's very simple. You can have several people working on any task, but you'll always show one person as the named resource for a task. This can greatly simplify how you manage a project. We provide a powerful visual tool, the Gantt-based timeline view. And you know something really nice about the timeline view? You can set durations and dependencies with your mouse. We also give you the Kanban-based task board view, which just might become your favorite way to track your project and all the tasks day by day. And you can customize the task board to fit your needs with custom columns. You can also filter the task board to show only one person's tasks, something that's very useful, especially for your team manager. You can track how your project is doing in many different ways. For example, we give you 2 ways of tracking project history: map history and branch history. Maybe you'll never need to use these tools, but they are ready if you do need to see precise details of who did what and when. And now here's something else you won't find in many project management apps, but it can make a huge difference. Your team is likely to be involved in more than one project at a time, right? So we give you 2 kinds of multi-project oversight. Needs Attention View highlights tasks that for several different reasons should be watched closely. All Tasks View is another view across all your projects, which can even include graphic charts for key information. And yes, you can filter these 2 views to show one person's involvement across all their projects. Whenever you want to communicate with a teammate, just use our chat feature. If the recipient of a chat is not using MindGenius Online when you send them a message, no worries. They'll get an email. What about all the project stakeholders? Other people outside your team who want to know how your projects are doing. We provide 6 different ways of sharing information with people who don't have MindGenius Online. Here are the first 5 ways. You can export your project information to other apps. What's number 6? You can make your project a public project and give a link to anyone who needs to see what's going on with your project. By now, we hope you can see why we say that MindGenius Online is really the perfect app for team projects. If you have a team doing projects, you really ought to check out MindGenius Online.